This is a 2009 Mercedes-Benz GL 450. This crossover has a 7-speed automatic transmission, a 4.7-liter V8 four-wheel drive. Plus, having just come off lease, this Mercedes-Benz is in like-new condition. Its top features include an air suspension, a heated steering wheel, a sunroof, heated seats, aluminum wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: traction control and stability control systems, a power rear lift tailgate, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, performance tires, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. This Mercedes has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.